Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by installing Giri RPM Checker and verifying the tool's version. This gives you the expected feature set. Once done, make sure the RPM database is accessible. Point Giri at /var/lib/rpm or your alternate path, because if it can't read the DB, scans fail. Next, start a quick scan to enumerate installed RPMs and flag missing files. This first actionable pass creates the baseline you will analyze further. Now you focus on interpretation. Read the severity flags, signature status, and any version mismatches because these determine risk and priority. Once done, apply filters. Use critical, unsigned, or older than 30D to reduce noise and expose urgent problems. Make sure to export the filtered output to JSON or CSV for audits or sharing. That lets you sort, grep, and correlate with changelogs, which is why exporting early speeds remediation and avoids repeating scans. Complete the workflow by remediating items, update or reinstall flagged RPMs, and prefer vendor-signed packages to restore trust. Once you've applied fixes, rerun a full Giri scan to confirm resolution and ensure no regressions. Verification closes the loop. If things go wrong, check file permissions and RPM DB integrity first, and then run Giri with debug to capture verbose diagnostics. This single troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.